Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mute someone's message on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram application on your phone. And here I have opened my Instagram application. And then we can go to Instagram direct message right here on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can select the message that we're going to mute. You can select the message from certain account. And for example, I'm going to mute message from this account. So just tap and hold on the message like this, then you can click on mute message, and after that you can select the duration. You can choose for 1 hour, 8 hours, or 24 hours, or you can also select until I change it, and I'm just going to select for 1 hour. Then now the messages have been muted, guys, and that's how we can mute someone's message on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.